Oil change on a 850 Scrambler high output. You will need a T45 and a 6mm Allen key. And you need to take this cover off. I just take 2 Torxes out so I can swivel it. Your oil filter's underneath there. And the drain plug is just slightly in front of it. There's a bigger hole. That's not it. It's a smaller hole back close to you. And it's a 6mm Allen. Just like that. And we want to use T6 Rotella. That's what I put into it. And like all my machines, I put just a small portion of ATF, like 5%, and that helps keep everything clean inside. Thanks. 6,000 miles.